It's quite surprising that monitors with HDMI 2.1 don't exist yet, considering many TVs already have that. Even processors, AV receivers, and so many products on the market have that HDMI 2.1. But now Asus is launching their first monitor that has HDMI 2.1, and it's a 4K monitor, which is cool. This model is the ROG XG43UQ. This is a 4K monitor. It's quite good. It's quite good. It's screen refresh rate is very good. It has a screen refresh rate of 144 hertz. It supports HDR10. It also has a 90% DCI color coverage. It's very, very beautiful in terms of its design. It is 43 inches, hence the model number. It comes with the XG43UQ. The build quality is good. The biggest selling feature is the HDMI 2.1 to be able to pass uncompressed 4K signal, all the best audio to the monitor. It is good overall, and plus the advantage of the HDMI 2.1 is the fact that you can use your PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X on it to play 4K 120 hertz games without any issues, even watch movies and all that without any issues. It's strictly designed for gamers and even content creators, because content creators would like it a lot, especially if you edit. You would need this sort of quality. That's just the thing. Yeah, the problem I have with this monitor is that it didn't come in an OLED design. It's an IPS LCD design. It's not bad. It's good enough for the most part. One of the other big features is the contrast ratio is 4000 to 1. It's gonna be bright enough for gaming and everything. It's coming with a display port 1.4a. It's also coming with, like I said, HDMI 2.1 and two extra HDMI 2.0, which is good enough. It comes with a headphone jack, USB 3.0 for fast transfer. Just consumes about 48 watts of power. Price tag being rumored right now is $2,000. But it will roughly be between $1,900 to $1,920. So that's where they're pegging the price to be once it goes on sale. Once it goes on sale next month. So be sure to check it out if you're interested in it. That's if you're interested in getting a monitor that has HDMI 2.1 setup. Do subscribe to our channel, do like our content, do follow on social media. I'm going to see you guys next time.